a star. Now the only thing that's left are spaces, but they're to forget. Hiding any way to feel for bodies on the battlefield. You won't see me crying, and if you peer into my head, darkness in the cold wet cave, crowded echoed voices call. You won't see through the wall. Crop scenes and movie queens, waking to your coding dream. Door to door you ask for more, peering through the golden scene. Now the only thing that's left are spaces, but they're to forget. And I'm just too numb to feel for bodies on the battlefield. Time moves slow when you're feeling low. We can go where no one knows. Afternoon burns away, throwing ashes on the day. Hard you carry on your own, wandering to find a home. Waking into white eyes gleaming, realize that I was dreaming. Always from the outside, seeing everything around me, speeding you